We already had it.
Super had it. This piece was inspired by my brother D. He asked me to write it a couple months ago, and I finally finished it. Called Free Fall. I sit back and relax, and I meditate on things like, why did my Lord and my Savior choose me and not my friends who's deceased? Or the homies locked down behind bars with the scars of confined institutions. Shaking my head in a state of confusion. Body blows just full with contusions. With the agility to feed my fam, the ability to know who I am just to protect my environment. Realizing the pain that's inside of it. In a land of broken pieces, which gives me the reason for drinking this liquor. Purple haze engulfing my system, overindulging. Feeling the pressure of something much holier or something much greater. Conscious mind saying it's gonna get better. Cooling my soul every time it's on fire. I am not old, but I wanna retire. From the hurt and the pain. Yet the fact still remains that I am. Whatever he says I am. If I wasn't, then why would he say I am? Through my hurts and my habits and my circumstance. He covers me, for he's the great I am. I'm on top of this building. And I'm looking straight down thinking I should just swan dive in it right now because I feel so empty. And the money and the women didn't help me. But this world said this was my remedy. Well, if so, then why do I feel so lost and alone? Purgatory is my home. I'm uncovered, cold and exposed. When I heard a voice from the sky say, hold on, don't cry, for I am. Whatever you say I am. If I wasn't, then why would you say I am? Through your hurts and your habits and your circumstance. I love you, for I'm the great I am. A bright light of sunshine. With his hand is my guide, and a plan in a path what he wants me to be, an ambassador of heaven. An open vessel just receiving his blessings. For by shame he sprinkled his blood all over his seed. Blocking transgression, embodying victory, gave me salvation, free from oppression, back against the wall, now I'm heading this direction. With the book that he placed in my hand that says I am. Whatever you say I am, if I wasn't, then why would you say I am? Through your hurts and your pains and your circumstance. I bless you from the great I am. See, I am. Whatever he says I am. If I wasn't, then why would he say I am? Gives me joy, the knowledge, and the wisdom to understand. It's just my Father, he's the great I am.
Right.